Hi there, students. Down and out. Okay, down and out is an adjective. I guess it could be a noun as well, a down and out. If somebody is down and out, probably they're living in the street. They have no money and no opportunities to make things better. So, first he lost his job, and that resulted in him losing his house. So he went to live in his car, and some skinheads burned his car, and finally he was living down and out on the street. Okay, so down and out, living on the street with no money, nowhere to live, completely destitute, poverty stricken, impoverished, indigent, penniless. Yeah, you've got nowhere to live. You are looking for a hostel where they will let you stay. Yeah, you're destitute, impoverished. You can also say a down and outer or a down and out. So yeah, a down and out has no job, nowhere to live, and no hope of improving his situation. Yeah. Let's see. George Orwell, one of his his favourite book of mine. Everybody knows him for 1984 and Animal Farm, but my favourite book is Down and Out in London and Paris. And this describes being down and out in Paris and London. It deals with the themes of being extremely poor in these two wealthy cities, and what it was like working as a casual labourer in Paris, washing up where you could, and living on the road around London, with descriptions of the types of different hospital and a tramp's perspective of life. Yeah, and this book describes what it's like being down and out in Paris and London without any money at all, living on the margins of society. Okay, so down and out, yeah, is somebody who's in extreme poverty, as a result of a financial and or a personal setback. Yeah, when people are down and out, they need somewhere to turn. They're homeless, they're destitute, they don't know where to go, and being down and out can be a very difficult thing to come back from. There's also actually the phrase down but not out. So how are you? I'm down but not out. And down but not out tells you about temporarily incapacitated but not permanently defeated. Yeah. So the down and out has no hope. My wife left me. I'm down but not out. I'm temporarily incapacitated, but I will be back. Yeah, I will make it back. So down but not out is much more positive than down and out. Okay, so a down and out, a tramp, somebody who has nowhere to live. You're destitute, derelict, penniless, absolutely flat broke. Yeah, you're a tramp, a beggar, an outcast, a vagrant. Yeah, a dosser. So yeah, there's some poor down and out who needs somewhere to sleep tonight. Yeah, a down and out very often will sleep wherever he can, under a railway bridge or wherever. And this is the idea of being down and out. Somebody who is homeless and has no resources whatsoever. I've seen some of the dictionary saying that this is primarily heard in the US. I've heard this phrase down and out all my life. And look, Orwell wrote the book in the 1930s, so I think it's certainly very English as well. So if somebody is down and out, they've got no luck. Yeah, a down and out loser. They've no money, no opportunities, there's no way to come back. So down and out, he's down and out. 5, informality. I think use it anywhere. Yes, definitely use it anywhere, informally, semi-formally, or formally. And I think the origin, I get the idea that this is alluding to a boxer who has been knocked down, yeah, and he is out, he's unconscious, so he can't get back up. Yeah, he can't get back up and continue fighting, so he's down and out of the competition. And I think that's the idea. If you get a chance, read the book Down and Out in Paris and London. It's quite a short book as well. It's got some interesting descriptions of what it was really like being extremely poor in the 30s. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Down and out.